Hi, I'm Dr. Dayanand. I'm a plastic surgeon trained in trauma and microvascular surgery, practicing in Coimbatore. And I have been here for the last 2 days for an exposure in aesthetic surgery. Um from what I have experienced here, the attention to teaching has been very meticulous. The procedures have been explained very well, especially delving into the complications and how to manage them. And there is a lot of hands-on experiential training which we have received, especially in Botox and other injectable fillers, uh, regarding not only the procedures but also regarding how to approach a patient, how to deal with a patient, how to deal with problems with patients. The experience has been a wholesome experience for a person who is trying to go into aesthetic surgery. Of course, this is going to be a huge benefit when I actually start going doing my aesthetic practice. And thank sir and madam for all that they've done. And I hope to continue my association with them for a longer time. Thank you.